Finale is reaching its peak with Bhavika and Mahendra already in the running. Today we crown our third finalist. Do you guys know who the winner could be?
As only one spot remains, the pressure is on.
The final set of contestants are ready to showcase their images to the iconic filmmaker Imtiaz Ali and the legendary photographer Raghu Rai.
Our mission is to inspire photographers and expand their horizon, and No Filter community is stronger than ever before.
That's true. So this is No Filter by Indigo Season 2.
With over 85 domestic destinations, Indigo's unparalleled network gives storytellers the chance to capture its untapped tales. This time, our 9 contestants will take us on a colorful cultural journey across the country as they explore India by Indigo.
Welcome. Hello, how are
Nice
you?
to meet you. Shomil.
Shomil, hi.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Welcome. Please have a
Hello.
seat.
Thank you.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए. आप कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Ahmedabad,
Okay.
India's first World Heritage City.
अच्छा.
I always, sir, try to keep in mind. आपने रघु सर एक बार बोला था कि आप या तो दिल निकाल के अपने सेंसर पे रख लीजिए या सेंसर निकाल के अपने दिल में रख दीजिए. और सर आपका एक डायलॉग, आई थिंक आप भी तो अपने माशूक से बात कर रहे थे, तो मैं ऑलवेज वो ट्राई करती हूँ कि कैमरा एंड माय गॉड.
Very sweet. Very, very lovely. But Shomil,
Yeah.
you-
I'm from Calcutta. Like, I believe Kolkata is a canvas in which every corner tells a story.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. It's my favorite city in the country. too.
Okay.
And coming to you, Manish.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm from Kerala, Kannur.
Kannur.
So, yeah.
Very beautiful place.
Yes,
I've
yes,
not
yes,
been.
It's actually a fusion land of nature, culture, and food.
Right.
Yeah,
And very modern concepts
Yeah,
of
yeah.
agriculture are being
Fashion
used
is-
there, right?
I'm actually a big fan of both of you. Like, this is my first time in Delhi and meeting the two legends.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are now going to give you the task for this episode and this season. You have to make a 3-photograph photo essay that define for you your city through your lens. So that's your task. Do it with your own eyes. Do it with passion, and discover something new about the place that you've always been living in. All the best to all 3 of you. And off you go. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Kolkata. A city alive with history and creativity, pulsates with energy at every corner. Famous for its colonial architecture, vibrant art scene, Kolkata is a tapestry of cultures and stories. This is also where Shomil, a student and street photographer, finds his inspiration. Kannur, a city steeped in history and natural beauty, boasts a unique blend of culture and tradition. With its stunning beaches, Kannur is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be told by photographer Manish, who aims to capture the essence of the rich landscapes and heritage sites. Ahmedabad, a city renowned for its rich heritage and infrastructure, is filled with stories and culture at every turn. Among its many talents is photographer Bhumi Gondalia, who draws inspiration from the city's colorful culture and dynamic spirit. And so, the contestants set out on a journey to find the perfect 3 shots of their city.
So my task is to capture the essence of my city. Ahmedabad is full of culture, and we are standing at the Kalupur Swaminarayan Mandir. I'm just thinking to show emotion, culture.
Over in Kolkata, Shaumil has arrived at his first location.
We are at Kumottuli right now. Kumottuli is a home for traditional idol makers. And let's see कुछ अच्छा pictures मिलता है कि नहीं.
Meanwhile, in Kannur, Manish does some thinking about the task.
Shooting a hometown scene is easy, but it's actually difficult because you want to portray your hometown in the best way possible. I'm a beach person, so I personally like beaches. We have come to Dharmadam Beach, and there is also a Dharmadam Island here. So I'm thinking of covering both beach and the island in one frame.
भी सोचा था कि लाइक दुर्गा माँ का कुछ अच्छा फोटोज मिलेगा. दादा एक्टर शॉट बट पीपल आर नॉट वेलकमिंग एट ऑल. भांग में ना एक्टर शॉट, इसलिए थोड़ा पिक्चर्स क्लिक करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Sky is very cloudy because of the weather. So yeah, sir, I'm getting very flat images.
While Bhumi struggles with light, Manish seems to have gotten the worst of Mother Nature. With the beach empty and no subjects, because of the rains, he decides to sit the task out.
Like it's pretty raining heavily, so people are not here, so that I couldn't involve any subject in my frame.
सुबह 10 बजे से था कुमोरटुली में. फिर फाइनली आई हैव गॉट माय शॉट, सो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी राइट नाउ.
Meanwhile, in Ahmedabad, Bhumi reaches the end of her heritage walk.
We are at the Jama Masjid. It's very peaceful. I met one family. I clicked some few pictures, portraits, and some moments.
It's still raining here. I don't know what to do, but I'll manage it somehow.
As the rain settles, Manish steps out to get some photos at the beach.
ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ നിന്ന് തരുമോ? അവിടെ നിന്നാൽ മതി, എൻ്റെ നേരം. എന്നിട്ട് ഐലൻഡ് നോക്കിയിരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ നിന്നാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നിർത്തി വേണം, എന്നിട്ട് കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ച്.
The rains are horrible. मेरे दिमाग में अभी भी 2 फ्रेम्स है, बट वो दोनों ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. आई एम होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट कि दोनों मिल जाए.
Down south, day 2 starts with a cultural celebration.
So I come here in this Neeliyakotam. We are going to see the Neeliya Bhagavati Theyyam here.
In Kolkata, the weather has come in the way of yet another contestant.
We are outside Molly Ghat right now, and हम लोग अभी घुसे हैं, and it suddenly started raining. I don't know what to do. बहुत panic situation है. I don't know I'll get my shot or not.
It's already 2 in the afternoon. एक भी क्लिक नहीं मिला है अभी तक.
So far, Manish is the only one that has managed to begin his task.
There is so much crowd here, but I managed a few 2-3 frames and really happy.
लाइक अभी बारिश बंद हुआ है, अभी ऑलमोस्ट 5:30 बजा है एंड लाइट जाने वाला है अभी कोलकाता में. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग फोटोज फॉर दिस चैलेंज आई हैव रियलाइज वन थिंग दैट किसी भी सिचुएशन के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड रहो. बारिश हो सकता है, ऐसा हो भी सकता है कि मुझे शॉट्स ना मिले, but I'm really grateful and happy that I'm back on the streets after 7 to 8 months taking pictures. After many difficulties and problems, I finally got my shot, and this shot is really close to my heart. Like हावड़ा ब्रिज का एक यूनिक फोटो मैंने खींचा है. I don't know the judges will like it or not. Let's see. I'm really excited for day 3.
After an unproductive day 2, Bhumi decides not to let the rain hold her back anymore and steps out in full gear.
I have came here to shoot one painting that says Ahmedabad story. The guy is not responding yet. Let's see कब response मिलता है. We can get access to this haveli.
We are coming here to photograph a temple pond actually, which is having a great architectural structure, and also the depth is also good. I'm planning to include a subject in my frame. I hope I manage that frame.
It's day 3 and like I have already got my 2 pictures, but like here I am at Madhya Bhavan. इधर के लोग उतने कंफर्टेबल नहीं है कि मैं फोटोज क्लिक करूं, सो आई डोंट नो कि विल आई गेट माय शॉट और नॉट, बट लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि शॉट मिल जाए कुछ.
અહીંયા અમદાવાદ જ છે. ये दिख रहा है मुझे वो पेंटिंग, मना कर रहा है मुझे. वहाँ पे एक्सेस नहीं मिला, अभी तीसरी लोकेशन पे जा रहे हैं. लेट्स सी वहाँ पे एक्सेस मिल जाए. आई हैव टू डू इट एनीवे. Yeah, let's see.
The rains continue, but giving up is not in the cards for these contestants.
So I met a few people. I have communicated with them. So I asked them to be a subject in my frame, and they were okay with that.
It was wonderful and challenging 3 days, and I have got all my pictures. So see you in the studio. Daya, chalo.
The contestants are back in Delhi, ready to showcase their photo essays to the judges.
Invite them.
Let's call them in. The contestants, please. Come, welcome back. How did it go?
It was amazing, plus it was very challenging for me.
What was challenging?
Like खुद के सिटी का essence like 3 images में लाना is very difficult.
As for the task, I think it's a bit challenging because rethink करना पड़ा थोड़ा अपने ही सिटी के बारे में कि मैं उसको कैसे और तरीके से दिखाऊं.
I'm happy that you've had challenging experiences. And now let's look at how you've represented your city. Starting with you.
Wow.
Wow, this is...
एक बात है, your angle is new. And you've attempted something very different. But if I were you, I will give 32 aperture so that I can get more depth of field. You देखो, look at the
Hair,
pores and the hair,
Yeah,
very sharp.
yeah.
In future, remember, because human eye sees everything in focus.
Not so the camera.
So that would have added extra strength. But
But
interesting.
very interesting
Yeah,
picture,
sure,
of course.
new.
You know that it is interesting. Okay. The next one, please. This is
This
the
is
Kumar
common.
Toli. Ah, but this is common, as you say.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next? And again, Kumar Toli.
Kumar Toli, but the way you've taken it through the moving bus adds a little energy of another kind.
Right. We see a collage of these pictures here.
Chaliye.
And moving on to Gujarat.
Oh, बाप रे.
अच्छा.
Good, interesting action.
गिव अप नहीं किया इस सिचुएशन में भी.
इस सिचुएशन में भी गिव अप नहीं किया.
Yes.
किसी
चलो.
ने नहीं, बच्चे ने भी नहीं गिव अप किया.
सब अपने अपने काम पे हैं, जा रहे हैं.
Very good. Next picture.
So it's सिद्धि सैयद नी झाड़ी we
ये
call
तो
in
वहाँ की
Gujarati.
बड़ी फेमस
Yes.
जाली है. कितनी खूबसूरत
It's
है.
tree of life ऊपर and बारिश में
तुम्हारा
Well-
पिक्सल बहुत वो हो गया है ना?
हाँ so
Pixelated.
it was boring like anything. So I think स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा सा डार्क दिख रहा है.
जी.
next.
one. Nice expression.
So yeah,
Yes.
the hope,
And
never
clouds.
losing hope.
Yeah. So
That
that's good.
there is hope in a situation of despair.
Yes.
The people are resilient. Okay, very nice. Can we see the pictures together to get an impression? This is what your pictures are, and we move to
Manish.
Kerala, to Kannur, and see what Manish has done.
क्या स्लो शटर स्पीड दिया?
Slow shutter, yeah.
Why?
So like, this is actually people used to have evening walks, and the kids from the shows, they used to die from this beer.
Nothing is in the picture.
No,
though.
I just want to show a landscape of my city,
Okay.
hometown where I was born and brought up.
Ji. In a previous episode, Raghu sir had said something interesting, that it does not matter what's in your mind for the viewer.
Okay.
When somebody sees your picture, you have to put it out there
What?
in the picture for them to know what you're thinking.
What do you think?
It's something to keep in mind.
Yeah,
And moving to the next picture. please. This is the festival you were
yeah.
talking
This is the Theyyam festival. So usually kids get scared of saying this, but this was rare. Like she got their blessings, and she was calling her mom and saying, "See this, see this."
Ah.
So I got
Okay,
that.
okay. It's so dramatic in itself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like
The subject
seeing
itself
that.
is so dramatic. Okay, and moving to the next.
Good. Nice composition. It was there, or you?
It was not there. Like she was a devotee, so I communicated with them. I wanted a subject in my frame.
Very, very
nice image. Nice image.
Can we see them together now? You get a general impression. We'll see you later. You take a break. You go out. We'll call you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. And well done. All three of you, well done. And ये भी अच्छी है.
ये दोनों काफी अच्छी
दोनों
हैं.
बहुत
It holds together.
It holds together. Yeah.
मेरी इमेजेस दो लेजेंड्स ने देखी, इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है. लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिली है.
दो black and white, एक color,
Hmm.
and one is such a tight close up.
Hmm. And one is motion and one
Very
very
static.
static.
लाइक अभी जो होना है हो गया है. अभी आई एम हैप्पी कि लाइक इधर इतना तक पहुंच गया, मतलब सॉर्टेड है. अभी मैं अगर सिलेक्ट फाइनल के लिए सिलेक्ट भी नहीं होगा तो कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं रहेगा.
वो अच्छी पिक्चर है जो आपने
बहुत अच्छी.
वो वाली.
Continuity of the hand
Hmm.
to hand to the form and that white.
I'm really nervous about the result, but it's fine. Like being judged by the two legends is the main thing. I'm happy for that, and let's see like who will be the winner.
Welcome back. Shomil, Bhumi, Manish. From three corners of the country, we have discussed your photographs. And एक अच्छी बात है आप तीनों में. That was nice. एक अच्छी बात है तीनों में कि आप तीनों की कम से कम एक फोटो बहुत impressive लगी हमें. Starting with you, Shomik. Your pictures are here.
देखो, you have one very tight close-up, though it is a very different angle. The other two, one in color, one in black and white. When we say a feature, a photo essay, they should create a unity of experience, forms and colors. So together, it doesn't become wholesome feature.
So that's a very big learning, I feel, as a photo feature. You guys have to keep that in mind. Moving to Bhumi, Ahmedabad. And these pictures. God gives in ways that you can't expect. He gave you a situation of rain and flooding, and those were the days where you had to shoot your feature, and this is what you came up with. But as a result of which,
The texture of the rain and the color quality, it blends together.
and then moving to you, Manish. The photographs of Kannur. These are the three photographs, and as we said that each one of you has one very brilliant photograph. Your brilliant photograph is the one which is below at the tank, which Mr. Raghu Rai had already said has a certain consistency of line. You know, that's very symmetry, which is very beautiful.
And also, these hands in the foreground gives it a freshness. But then, you know, this close-up is a bit too strong color.
Like the
Here also, you know, the rhythm in the three pictures gets challenged.
And with that, we come to the point where we are going to announce who the winner is. Do you guys know who the winner could be? No idea? No idea? Shomil. Bhumi. Manish. Sir, do we have some idea?
Very clear.
Very clear idea of who the winner is? Well, we are very united and very clear about who the winner is. No, sir, I think you should be the one to say who the winner is.
I love the rains and they work together. So rain unifies the whole space and you stayed with it.
And you stayed with them. The fact that you could adapt and take in what nature had to give you makes you the finalist from this round. Congratulations, Bhumi.
Thank you, sir.
Very well done. These are the pictures and very well done. Shomik, very, very well done.
I have just become the finalist and now I'm all pumped up for the next round. Best करना है बस यही है और कुछ दिमाग में नहीं है.
So, sir, Mahendra, Bhavika,
And Bhumi.
and Bhumi. We have
These
our
are the three
finalists.
finalists, yes.
Also, there's a lot of learning to be gained from Mr. Raghu Rai and generally from the experience of being in this show. Be with us as we explore India with No Filter by Indigo.
क्या बात।
See you in the final episode. Today is the D-Day, the climax of the film, the grand finale of this season. And we have 3 outstanding finalists.
So we are planning to push them to their limits. in fact, beyond their limits.
This time we are going to throw you in an absolutely unfamiliar territory. You will be shortchanged on time. You've got to really put on your A game and come up with the best that you can.
Definitely.
Okay? Welcome to the grand finale.